Disclaimer, this channel does not promote or encourage any illegal activities. All content provided by this channel is meant for educational purposes only. So how do you make $10,000 per month rug pulling meme coins on Solana? The strategy which I'm going to explain in today's video is called the Copycat Method, and this is a strategy which you can do very quickly with very little money, but still be able to generate a lot of money in return. You guys need to understand that once you learn and master the skill of rug pulling, you are going to literally be able to print money out of thin air. Now 10k, $10,000 might sound like a lot, but there are literally hundreds of millions, if not billions of dollars being processed and traded on a day-to-day basis within meme coins. People are making millions and losing millions on a day-to-day basis, and if you don't think that you can make $333 a day as the developer, then you should click off this video. This is the place of opportunity. It's the place where you are going to get rich if you apply yourself and you position yourself, and becoming the developer is positioning yourself with the most favorable odds. And this isn't just talk either. To prove this, you can do this as well. Pause this video, go onto Deck Screener and click on 3 random coins. Let's look at this one. This is a huge coin. Let's look at this one, and let's take a look at this one. And in 99% of cases, the developer is going to be making tens of thousands of dollars. Now, this is a unique example. It's a very large coin, but even so, let's take a look at it. The developer has made 275k plus another 165, 150, 130, 195, etc. That's, hundreds of thousands of dollars. This developer has made 3k, 2.5, that's 5k, 6k, 7k, 9k, 10k, 11k, 12k, 13k, etc. He's probably made close to $15,000, $16,000, $17,000, and this developer with a very small coin has actually used a different strategy, so his wallets aren't showcased to the public, but I guarantee you that multiple of these wallets are his wallets, and he just bought in to make it seem like he's a trader, but he's actually the developer. I guarantee you this guy with a very small token has made over 20k from this project. Now, for you guys to understand this method, you need to know the difference between a hard rug and a soft rug. So a hard rug is where the developer bundles down here, like usual. He bundles at the very bottom of the barrel. He bundles just as the coin gets released, and he gets in at the lowest price. He would then pump it up and he would hard rug it. Now, the definition of a hard rug is you take out the liquidity, but for the case of this video, we're going to use the terminology hard rug, selling your bundled position all at once at around 100, 200, 300k market cap. Now, a soft rug is much different. Soft rugs last much longer. They take much more money to execute. They take much more time to execute. And once again, the developer would bundle at the very bottom, but instead of selling his entire position gradually, he would sell very slowly. He might sell a little bit here, a little bit here, a little bit here, a little bit here, etc. As time goes on, what would happen is the price of the meme coin would either keep going up and the developer would keep selling, or it would start to crash, and once it starts to crash, the developer would sell his entire position, and he's now gotten away. Now, the reason why soft rugs, if you have money and you have experience, can work much better is instead of selling everything at 100k market cap down here, you can ride the wave up to 1 million, 2 million, 3 million, etc. But this just takes a lot more experience, a lot more time, and a lot more money to do. If you are a beginner, I would recommend starting out with hard rugs, where you bundle down here, and then after a few minutes or a few hours, you sell everything at once, you walk away, you make your money, and you rinse and repeat this cycle over and over again. Like I said, all you need is one skill, one strategy. You master this, and you're going to be making well over 10k per month rug pulling meme coins. So the copycat method, what actually is it? You have to first start off by finding a coin that aligns with the current meta and the current narrative, and is doing incredibly well. So in the last few days, Elon Musk and Donald Trump have been beefing each other. They have been arguing online and in person. A meme coin was released based upon this called PVE, President versus Elon, and it went to around an $8 million market cap. This is a perfect example. This has hype, it has news, it created a meta, it created a narrative, and it done super well. Now, also, there was very big news that the rent was going to go up, and someone made a meme coin saying rent only goes up. This coin reached a market cap of around 2.3 million, so not huge, but still enough to form a little meta and a narrative. Now, the copycat method is finding these coins, finding coins which traders are still interested in, like President versus Elon, like rent only goes up, and creating a copycatted version of it. So someone saw this coin, someone saw the news, and he created Trump versus Elon. Someone else created mortgage only goes up. These are literally copycatted coins of one another. It's the exact same format, the exact same logo, the exact same colors. You create a coin based on coins that are already doing well. Then you would launch them and you would bundle a huge percentage of this coin. Now, I want to give you guys a quick warning. If you are a beginner, do not trust Telegram bots like Bumblebee or Vortex, or even big Telegram softwares like Infinity or Dogwoof Tools. 99.9% of the time, using a Telegram bot or a software will flag your coin unless you use a certain method to bundle. I learned how to professionally bundle because I bought a lot of guides back in the day from Dogwoof Tools, which was the biggest rug pulling software online at that period of time, and it had the biggest developers in the entire world, which was selling their bundling guides for $500, for $1,000, for $2,000, for $3,000, and I bought all of them to have some sort of insight on how the best rug pullers in the world operate. Now, all of these methods, this knowledge that I acquired from learning how to bundle from literally the best developers in the world, is inside of my private community Viper. I've been launching coins for the last 4 years. I've launched thousands of coins. I've perfected strategies, and I give you an A to Z blueprint on how to literally print money inside of Viper. I give you all of these methods and guides that I've bought, and you can genuinely fast track your success into becoming a meme coin developer. CoffeeZilla said it best, and it's the reason why developers are consistently making more money than any trader out there. Meme coins are wealth redistribution tools to move money from public to pre-sale, outsiders to insiders, and degens to developers. Don't waste your life making some KOL dork rich. And I think that summarizes developing perfectly. If you want to fast track your success in developing meme coins, learn an A to Z strategy which actually works, then check out the link in the description. It's my private community. I have nothing but 5-star reviews. Everyone is loving it. No one has said a single negative thing about it, and you can join by clicking the link in the description. With that being said, you would launch this copycatted coin and you will bundle a huge percentage of it. I'm talking about 40%, 50%, 70%, 80%. The higher the better, the more you can afford, the better. Now, once you launch this coin and you bundle it, you would start promotion. This is how you would get traders to actually see your coin. You can use KOLs, which are key on-chain influencers. You can use callers. You can use deck screener ads or deck screener boost. You can use Telegram trending bots. You can use shillers. You can use raiders. There are so many different ways to market your meme coin correctly. And once again, you have to be extremely careful. 70 to 90% of all KOLs and callers are straight up scams. They bot up their audience, they bot up their followers, their likes, their comments, etc. And you need to be very careful so you don't pay a KOL which actually doesn't have an audience at all and he just takes your money. Once again, I teach you how to find good quality KOLs inside of Viper. Now, once you promote your coin and you start a promotion, something like this would happen. So you launch your coin here, you bundle within the first 5-10 minutes, you start your promotion, price starts to go up. Now, in my experience, the peak performance of a coin for spending a little amount of money into marketing is around 200 to 500k. Getting a coin above 500k requires a lot of marketing, it requires a lot of experience. You need to be very smart to get a coin consistently from 500 to a million to 2 million to 3 million, but getting a coin to 2 to 500k is incredibly easy. So the method is you launch, you bundle, you start promotion, people like the coin because it aligns with the meta, it aligns with the narrative. They see that, okay, this coin went to 8 million, this coin is released, hopefully this can go to 8 million. They buy in and you cash out at 200 to 500k. Now, with this strategy, you wouldn't necessarily do a soft rock because, like I said, you need to have a lot of marketing to make sure your coin keeps going up and there's hype around it as it goes up. You would do a hard rock, so you would sell everything at once. And seeing this live in action, this coin, President versus Elon, went to around $8 million market cap. The developer from this coin made 11k, that's 22k, 32k, 42k, 50, 60, whatever. He made 60, 70, $80,000. Another developer saw this coin, used the copycat method, launched the coin. This coin went to a $220,000 market cap, but the developer still managed to walk away with 3k, that's 6k, 2k, that's 4k, that's 10k, 11k, 12k, 13k, 14k, 15k, 16k, etc. He's made, $20,000, $30,000 from this coin. Once again, this is another example. This coin went to a $2.3 million market cap. Rent only goes up. The developer managed to walk away with 13k, 23k, 33k, 43k, another 50, 60k. A developer saw this. He launched mortgage only goes up, and he managed to walk away with 7k, 6k, 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 5k, 5k, 5k. He's made $40,000, $50,000 maybe from this coin, and that is how easy it is to print money as the developer. Hopefully you found this video useful. I hope to see you inside of Viper. If not, I will see you in the next video. Goodbye.